Hello, I'm Shinmai. In this video, you can learn how to explain the reasons. There are many ways to explain reasons, but we like to learn these three conjunctions: から、ので、ため. Here is an example. 道が混んでいるから遅れます。I'm late because the road is busy. What's the difference between these sentences? 道が混んでいるから遅れます。道が混んでいるので遅れます。道が混んでいるため遅れます。Either conjunction is used when we explain the reasons or cause of the matter. から is used when you explain the reason. It's linked to sentences which are the road is busy and I'm late in this case from the speaker's subjective viewpoint. ので is used when you explain the cause. It's linked to sentences as an objective viewpoint and tell a relation between cause, that road is busy, and effect, I'm late in this case. Keep this in mind. Please look over the sentence again. 道が混んでいるので遅れます。When you're on the phone to tell the reason why you're late, then the listener will be able to agree with your reason. Since ので is a polite word and conveys objective fact as it is and soften the intention of the speaker. So the listener didn't feel any discomfort even when the person you meet for the first time. In this case, the sentence includes the meaning you are late even you left earlier home. But there were unexpected construction or accident, so you cannot make it on the time. However, if you say 道が混んでいるから遅れます, then the listener might feel you are saying excuse. Since から is a word from a subjective viewpoint, the speaker's will and thought come out strongly. Therefore, the listener might think, why you didn't leave your home earlier? Or maybe you are not telling the truth because you are late. Finally, ため is a written language, so used in formal or business scene by writing emails, letters, and so on. However, it is not an absolute rule or grammar. So feel free to use either one, depends on the situation. Even so, do you prefer to use ので more than から? Absolutely, but in some cases, you need to use から more than ので. For example, when you want to say, please do not touch because it's hot, you can still say, 暑いので触らないでください. But as we learned, ので is soften the intention of the speaker. So good for the first warning, but not strong enough. Therefore, after you warn the person and seems not to understand your message, then you need to say, 暑いから触らないでください. Then your message becomes stronger. Next, let's see these conjunctions from the grammar viewpoint. Here's a chart how to conjugate. When you conjugate with verbs, you need to attach with regular present tense or past tense. For example, 食べるから食べるので食べるため as present tense 食べたから食べたので食べたため as past tense. When you conjugate with adjectives, there are two types of adjectives. The first group is adjective end with I. For examples, 暑い hot 暑いから暑いので暑いため寒い cold 寒いから寒いので寒いため The second group is adjective end with な For example, 元気 energetic 大切 important 好き like or love For から you need to put だ after the な adjective 元気だから大切だから好きだから For ので and ため you just attach with な adjective 元気なので元気なため大切なので大切なため好きなので好きなため Finally, when you conjugate with nouns, for から you need to put だ after the noun. For example, holiday だから For ので you need to put な after the noun. Holiday なので For ため you need to put の after the noun. Holiday のため Let's practice. First, I can speak Japanese because I learned. You need to link two sentences which are I can speak Japanese and I learned. How do you say I learned in Japanese? 勉強した How about I can speak Japanese? 日本語を話せます Use からので or ため to link two sentences and make it as a reason 勉強したから日本語を話せます勉強したので日本語を話せます勉強したため日本語を話せます Next, I cannot eat it because it's spicy. How do you say it in Japanese? Spicy? 辛い I cannot eat. 食べられない辛いから食べられない辛いので食べられない辛いため食べられない Next, I bought it because it's convenient. Convenient in Japanese is 便利 I bought in Japanese is 買った or 買いました and 便利 is な adjective. Therefore, the final answer will be 便利だから買った便利なので買った便利なため買った In the last, the game is cancelled because of rain. Rain in Japanese is 雨 and it's noun. So, what do you think the final answer? 雨だからゲームはキャンセルです。雨なのでゲームはキャンセルです。雨のためゲームはキャンセルです。That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. ありがとうございました。